This is a good looking landing page, but it doesn't work. And most designers don't know why, because we've got really good at making things look right, less so good about making things actually work effectively. In this case, this page was costing me downloads, and when I took a step back and looked at the page, 4 things jumped out at me immediately. Clarity, you couldn't tell what it does. Hierarchy, nothing guides your attention. Trust, there's no reason to believe any of it. And when it came to conversion, there was too many actions and no clear step. So let's jump right in and fix it. As I build out landing pages and marketing sites for these projects, I think Framer is an excellent tool. Huge shout to them for sponsoring this video. The first thing you read, all-in-one aquarium maintenance app, complete tank history and AI aquarium intelligence. I wrote that, not the best. If you've never heard of Tankly and you just landed here from a Google search, could you understand in one sentence what this app actually is, especially without reading this sub-paragraph? And I think the answer is pretty clearly no. I mean, AI aquarium intelligence doesn't really mean anything to anybody, but the supporting copy, Tankly tracks every parameter change and maintenance task and uses AI to manage your tank health, choose the right inhabitants and fight algae. I mean, there's 5 different ideas there in one sentence. Doesn't really make a lot of sense. So what I've done, I've gone back to the drawing board on all the copy on the page, written up another document, which I'm going to paste in to each section to correct it. I'm going to go keep healthier tanks with less guesswork, because I feel like that is a more valid problem. This positioning now looks immediately better. It's a lot more simpler to understand, and I feel like I get what it is. Next up is the benefits or outcome section. This is a really important one to get right. Instead of saying what it does, where you're essentially explaining the features, we need to explain what you get, and that is selling the benefit or the outcome. For example, what it does is gives you multi-tank management, but what you get is keeping all your tanks healthy. This one's pretty bad. Bear with me. Not just tracking, understanding. Tracking what? Tracking your tanks. So like, you haven't even introduced any of the core concepts here. I actually got all the cards themselves right. I just had never really tied together this section with the right heading. I just didn't package it up and frame it correctly. And this heading is allowing us to scroll further down. So if this doesn't make sense, we're pretty much guaranteed to lose someone. We're going to change this up to Your Tank Talks Tankly Translates. When it comes to the next section, which really is the features, and this is the meat and drink of the app here. Now, previously, I actually had this as a carousel, but it kind of didn't really make sense. I felt like it was a nice thing in terms of visual look and feel, but actually it hid some of the information, which is really important. So I've opted to go for a actual grid, which has all of the main things on it. Now, the problem with this is aquarium maintenance app features. This was a kind of strategic ploy from an SEO perspective to have aquarium maintenance app in here, but actually when it comes to the landing page, I've decided to focus more on the conversion funnel. We'll let the sub features pages do the talking for this. So right now we're going to keep this sounding and feeling like actual English, like a human would say it. Everything your tank needs in one app. And then this is the next really important section. This is the persuasion layer starting to kick in. Once you've read this and looked at the features, you should be able to decide that this app is for you. So here we are writing why this app exists and some of the frustrations that it tackles. Built by Aquarius who got tired of juggling spreadsheets, forum threads, and 5 different apps. That is really the essence of what this app does. It gives you everything that you need. So instead of calling it an all-in-one app, we've basically given it some human English to bring this together. And we've got our core features here. Initially in the carousel, I had a couple of other cards that were hidden, but on reflection, I actually think they deserved their own hero card. Again, one thing that we could probably look at here is changing this. I'm calling out the light feature here, and I think with all of the other tools and having gotten rid of them on the original carousel, I think we should probably bring those back in here. So we are going to drop this from just being the light meter, because we'll have our own SEO page on it, into tools. In fact, I'll probably even keep this card and add a third one in here which has the rest of the tools, because I still want to keep the SEO of the light power meter, or the hero feature of the light power meter, because it's very unique in its sense. And again, these are the type of things that you need to make decisions about, like what is going to convert and convince the user. And I think here both the tools and this one on its own probably need to be present. So I wanted to bring this out and give it its own love, but as you can see, the Your Tank at a Glance headline completely doesn't make sense. So we're going to change it. Update this headline with built for your daily routine, and to solve the pain point which most aquarists have, widgets that watch your tank, tools to stop you Googling the same thing twice. I did have a section on the original landing page which had all of the plant indexes and these links to these other databases that we're going to hide behind our gate in order to drive people up to a conversion perspective, but I just don't think that they work in this sense. So I'm going to remove those completely and then leave them to be visible within the nav, as we don't want to distract people from the core call to action here, which is to download the app and sign up in the first place. Simple, affordable and transparent pricing for everyone. Who really cares about that? So let's change this to one app, everything included. Again, these plans, we don't really want to use this language here. We want to be a little bit more persuasive. So what we're going to do here is go start free trial. We want the app pusher to really stick out and tell us what we need to do. And I think instead of the SEO driven, the complete aquarium log app, Your Tank deserves better than guesswork. Just those few little handy tidbits give us a much tighter, constructive landing page. Now for the schoolboy error. The one thing that this page was really lacking was social proof, and it's key to any website driving conversion. People want to see other people, what they've got to say about the app, and genuinely reviews. So what we've had to do is jump in and add two things. We've brought social proof right up to the hero section, so straight away you get that credibility. And then further down, we've also added this new testimonial panel, which is just a must on any of these types of websites. But that's the thing, when you're in the design mode, you're not thinking about conversion. And I think there's two layers to build any website. It's copy, design, and then copy again.